Please come to rest. Allow your whole body to relax. Soften your face into a peaceful expression. Train your mind to follow the in and the out of your breath. Our deep truth for today is from Tolstoy. Once we're thrown off our habitual paths, we think all is lost. But it's only here that the new and the good begins. The new and the good begins when we are thrown off our habitual paths. As you sit here, allow your mind to open up to possibility, to something not yet known, to the potential for good that you hadn't even imagined before. Following the in and out of your breath, take 3 more deep breaths. Be blessed. Namaste.